Hello, my name is Dr. Berg, and I've been in practice for 29 years, and I've helped over 40,000 different people. And I specialize in two very powerful strategies to help people with their health. One is something called healthy keto, healthy ketosis, which is a very healthy version of ketosis, which is fat burning, and intermittent fasting, which is another powerful tool that can really help you not just lose weight, but increase your health. This program basically gives you the complete knowledge of how to create a healthy body, because it's get healthy, then lose the weight, not lose weight and get healthy. So I know this sounds too simplistic, but the more you know about your body, the better the results that you will have. So I have found through working with tens of thousands of people, either they're missing very vital, important information about their health, or they have wrong information that they're using that leads them to poor results, or they just cannot differentiate between the important stuff and the trivial stuff. They spend all their time doing the stuff that doesn't really make a difference. So that's what this program is about, giving you exactly the key strategies. Okay, so I know I say 200 lessons. These are really 200 strategies, which basically is a way to overcome an obstacle using a bright idea, using your brain, not just using force and trying harder. In this membership site, I broke it down into 7 categories. The first one is showing you the basics, but delivered one thing at a time in really simple, doable steps. The second section is about barriers and how to overcome them. I'm talking about mainly like social situations, craving at night, all sorts of going out to dinner. What do you do? Friends tempting you, having cravings yourself. There's so many barriers that people run into. I show you how to quickly resolve them without any uncomfortable pain, basically. Number 3, healthy pleasure foods and healthy pleasure meals. If you're going to do any program for any period of time, you don't want to deprive the person. You want to give them a substitute, something that gives them the same pleasure. That's what this is about. Number 4, body conditions. There are so many things that can stop you from losing weight, getting healthy, certain body issues that you have. It's kind of like a car. Your car is only as strong as your weakest link. So we're going to show you how to address all the weak links and different body conditions that you might have to resolve those so you can speed up your progress. Number 5 is about case studies. I have a lot of case studies on similar cases to yours that you can learn from. And then number 6, the advanced techniques for those people that need even more help. This is more confidential, and you won't get access to this until the 31 days of doing the program. I want you to really get this down first before you get to the advanced techniques. And then we also have advanced exercise techniques too. So this one and this one, you'll have access after 30 days. And there's 2 really amazing bonuses. One is called a meal planner. When you do a program, it's very important to plan out your meals for the whole week beforehand, versus end up on Wednesday and go, oh gosh, what am I going to eat? And then all of a sudden you eat the wrong food. Okay, so you just go into this program, you see a list of meals, you click the ones that you want, it generates a whole plan for the week, you press download. It's very simple, it's really cool. Okay, so it'll tell you exactly what to eat, and it just takes a couple minutes. It's very important, that way you can control what exactly you're going to be eating for the week. And you'll have unlimited recipes, keto-friendly meals that are very easy to make. We hired a full-time chef to generate all sorts of recipes, so you will never run out of ideas of what to make for your meals. And right now, I want to give you access for 7 days to check it out totally free. I want you to look behind the curtain and see what's inside. There's so many programs out there that give you all these claims that end up not working. I wanted you to go into the program, get results first, then decide if it's right for you. So click the link below, get started, and I will see you on the inside.